Hi guys, Trevor Miller here from trevormiller.co.uk. Now, I just want to talk to you about making how you can make a unique banner for yourself that will be different than the ones that everybody else has. Now, when you sign up with an offer online, the company will probably have a section where you can download the code for banners that you can promote on your website or on one of these advert revenue sharing sites. The problem is everybody else will have the same banner. So let's, for example, if we go to Adhitprofits banner section, these are the tools they give you to promote their website. And they have 12 banners in total that you can use, which is fine. But the problem is everybody else would be using the same banner. And quite frankly, if you've seen it once on a website or on another site, the chances of you clicking on it again or someone else clicking on it again is going to be quite remote unless they are completely new. So sometimes it helps just to make a banner that is slightly different and something that you can change yourself, change it regularly, and people might click on it because they have not seen it before. So let me show you how we can make a very simple and straightforward banner that you can use on Adhitprofits website for your own advertising purposes. So we're going to go to this website. This is totally free. This is a website called bannerfans.com, and as you can see here, this shows you a representation of your banner up in this box here, and you can do all sorts of stuff with this one. You can move the text around, as you can see here. You can actually go down into these boxes where it says choose your gradient colors, and you can change the colors. And if I just press the update button, you'll see that the colors will change there. And you can see how the colors will change there. Okay, now it's very straightforward to make a banner, so let's just make one very quickly just to show you how it would work. First thing you need to do is to change your text. Okay, and you can move your text around on the screen anywhere you want. Now this banner is not a animated banner, it's just going to be a static banner once it's finished. So we will go to this section here, what says text and fonts, and it gives you the 6 lines that you can use. Now if you're going to use all 6 lines, then your writing will be very small, so let's keep it to the size that we can read. So for instance, I might put on this line Trevor Miller, and if you go to update the banner, it will say Trevor Miller, and you can just put that, center that somewhere in the middle. And on the second line, I might want to say helping you generate wealth online. Okay, and again you press to update your banner, and there you go, helping you generate wealth online. Just straighten that a little bit. That's how easy it is to mess around with your text. Now you might not like this font, so you can go to line 1 and you can click here, and it tells you the font name, and you can choose a font to change it to. So if we wanted to go for something a little bit more let's say Kentucky Fried font, let's see what that does, and update my banner. There you go, it's changed the font to there. And maybe you want to change a font for helping you generate wealth online, so you'll just go to line 2. At the moment it says Mercedes, and let's change it to Allison, and again we go to update the banner, and there you go, and we can just center that. We can mess around with that in there. I don't actually like that Kentucky one, so let's change that to Allison as well, Allison regular. And you can look at this and you see it doesn't quite work because we've got a really massive gap between the M and the I. So I might just actually change that to something else. Let's have a look at Amazon. Okay, let's just stick with that just for the purpose of this. If you need to change the size, you can go into each line here and change your pixel size of your font, and of course you can change the color of your font by clicking it here, and on the palette just select the color you want, and once you've done that just click update, and the color of that font, the color of your text will change up there as well. Okay, so but what you do once you've actually created your banner, you have to get the code for it. Alright, now if you've got your own website, you might want to put this banner on your website, so that's, you can do that quite easily. But if you haven't got a website, then you have to tell the for instance, you would have to tell Adhitprofits where to find it on the internet. So you go to get code, and when you scroll down the edge of the page here, you've got all these different profiles you can use, but we're just interested in this code for direct link, for image linking, and you literally just copy and paste that code in. So you just copy it, right click, copy, and then you will go back to Adhitprofits, go to setup listing, you will go to edit, and here where it says banner URL, you would just literally paste that code into there. Okay, now just to show you that, but I just need to copy something first. Alright, copy that. And all I'm doing now, I'm just making a list so I don't lose what I've done before. Right, so in this box you will just paste the code that you've made in there, and you would have a target URL. Now in this case I'm going to change the target URL to trevormiller.co.uk, and I'm going to put in there hourly rev share, and you say update. Now as you can see, it says your banner has been successfully updated. And now if I click on that banner, it should take me to the page I've directed it to. Okay, so let's just try that. I'll right click, open that in a new tab. Page not found. And it's not found because I've given it the wrong name. The actual name what we're looking for is hourly space, hourly dash rev share. So let's just copy that in there. Go back to edit and just paste that in there. And just paste that there. Okay, we go update again. And again, let's try that. So he's and as you can see, it's now directed me to the page where I wanted it to go to. So guys, that is how easy it is for you to make a unique static banner, and you can make that one on this website, bannerfans.com. Give it a try and have fun with it. Take care for now.